Good morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, not much change in overnight prices. We've got beans down about a penny in a 6-cent range, meal gaining on oil, corn's up a penny in a 2-cent range, and wheat's up 4 cents and had overnight a 7-cent range. Outside market stocks are trying to rally a little bit, while the dollar's a little bit lower, crude is a little bit lower, and gold's unchanged. I think some of the headline news is, the markets are waiting to see what Israel's retaliation is going to be. We're also waiting to see just kind of what happens to global interest rates. The Fed yesterday, chairman said that may be delays in lowering U.S. rates. We also are watching pretty closely some of the political issues going on in New York, and also from a weather standpoint, mostly status quo. The only places that we're seeing dryness right now is in the U.S. Extreme western southern plains, and also into parts of southern Russia and eastern Ukraine. Down in South America, there is some rains that have slowed the Argentina harvest, and also the logistics. Supposed to be dry the remainder of the week. Rains return on the weekend. We have seen talk about lower Brazil soybean crop because of this rain, and we already know about the corn crop being lower because of disease. Not much new out of China as far as demand is concerned, but the administration is considering putting sanctions on their aluminum and steel imports. As far as any particular news, we saw where Brazil, an average guess of their crop was raised from 145 to 150. USDA is at 155. And the crude oil market is kind of on hold and waiting for any increase in confidence that the Middle East tension will ease. And then at that point, we'll assess how much demand damage has been done because of higher prices. We also note that globally, vegetable oil prices are lower. Again, in the last crush report, U.S. soybean oil stocks increased over last year. We also noted that seasonally, Malaysian production will increase. And then also, we noted that crush is increasing. Brazil over the next few months. Argentina just starting, and U.S. had a record crush. The markets, for the most part, are just kind of waiting for U.S. Spring and summer weather patterns. Again, there were some overnight Midwest rains. More rain is expected in the heart of the Midwest, and we also see some rains up in the Dakotas. Egypt bought 2 cargoes of Ukraine wheat. Russian prices were maybe a little bit lower. But all in all, the demand picture globally is concerning, both in corn, U.S. soybeans, U.S. meal, domestic oil, and wheat.